Hello. I'm here today to talk to you about sets falling, sets being struck. You know how they have movie sets and they build them and they make them for a specific movie, a specific scene? I think right now what we're seeing is sets being struck. So let's say you had a part in your life where you really needed this house, this car, this person, and suddenly it's lifted right out of your realm. I think we're seeing the sets being struck. I think things and people and pets and situations are lifting out. Now, whether it's by design, whether you worked it out with your guides previously, whether it's kind of a byproduct of someone else's journey, or whether it's really like a kind of a wake-up call for some changes in your own life. It's not all bad. It is not all bad, but sets are folding. What sets are folding in your life? And what does that mean? What does that mean for you? What part of your life does that hold a special place in your heart? And why is it hard to let go right now? Is it hard to let go? I don't know. But I certainly know and see that it's happening for us, and I'm experiencing it too. I'm experiencing a shift in neighbors, a shift in real estate, a shift in some of my job stuff. And so whatever it is right now that has left, love it, bless it, and say goodbye, but bless it for its use to you. And then if you feel like you're stuck, if you feel like maybe chaos is happening, if you feel like you're having, if you're having tire blowouts, if things are kind of like not smooth, ask the item, the situation, or the person to release you, because that's a fair prayer, because sometimes things hold on to us when we're ready to let go. And also, really, this is a time to really be hooked up with divine. Like every morning, say your prayers, get on your knees. Thy will, not my will. What is it you're doing to stay connected? Because there are little tiny holes in the universe, little tiny pathways, little tiny portals. Think of yourself as reducing down to a ferry full of faith to get through these little tunnels into the next phase. But you have to be able to be nimble, listen to spirit, and really be hooked up so that your life can move forward, because there's time locks to protect you. There's energetic blocks. So more and more, we're going to need to rely on our intuition and our higher guidance to navigate what's going on in the world right now. And I mean that, and I'm watching it and I'm experiencing it. So do your homework, do your footwork, do your legwork, so that God can work with you and keep you going up to the next divine, delicious part of your life. Thy will, not my will. But Spirit serves and it serves. So I'm sorry, it's of service, but it can also serve you. But it has to be in balance, and you have to be connected. So blessings. Bye.